Hello guys, today I will do a comparison of Xiaomi 12 versus Xiaomi 12 Lite. So let's get start the video. Let's talk about dimension. Height. Xiaomi 12 has 152.7 mm height and 12 Lite has 159.9 mm height. Width. Xiaomi 12 has 69.9 mm width and Xiaomi 12 Lite has 74.5 mm width. Thickness. Xiaomi 12 has 8.2 mm thickness and Xiaomi 12 Lite has 7.6 mm thickness. Weight. Xiaomi 12 has 179 gram weight and Xiaomi 12 Lite has 172 gram weight. Let's talk about display. A screen size. Xiaomi 12 has 6.28 inches screen size and Xiaomi 12 Lite has 6.55 inches screen size. Resolution. Xiaomi 12 has 1080p resolution and Xiaomi 12 Lite also have 1080p resolution. Aspect ratio. Xiaomi 12 has 20:9 aspect ratio and 12 Lite is also a 20:9 aspect ratio. Pixel density. Xiaomi 12 has 419 ppi pixel density and Xiaomi 12 Lite has 402 ppi pixel density. Display type. Xiaomi 12 has an AMOLED display and 12 Lite has an also AMOLED display. Protection. Xiaomi 12 come with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection and Xiaomi 12 Lite also Corning Gorilla Glass Victus protection. A screen to body ratio. Xiaomi 12 come with 89.2% screen to body ratio and 12 Lite come with 88.5% screen to body ratio. Let's talk about camera. Let's start with Xiaomi 12. It's have a triple camera slot and its primary camera have 50 megapixel aperture 1.8, ultra wide 13 megapixel aperture 2.2 or telephoto of 5 megapixel aperture 2.4 or HDR LED flash. Let's talk about Xiaomi 12 Lite. It's also have a triple camera slot and its primary camera have 108 megapixel aperture 1.8, ultra wide 8 megapixel aperture 2.2 or depth camera of 5 megapixel aperture 2.4 or HDR LED flash. Let's talk about camera video recording feature. Xiaomi 12 can record 4K video at 30 fps and 12 Lite also can record 4K video at 30 fps. Selfie camera. Xiaomi 12 has 32 megapixel selfie camera and Xiaomi 12 Lite has also a 32 megapixel selfie camera. Both can record 1080p video. Let's talk about hardware. Chipset. Xiaomi 12 come with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 generation first processor and Xiaomi 12 Lite come with Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G processor. CPU. Xiaomi 12 come with octa-core 3.0 GHz and Xiaomi 12 Lite come with octa-core 2.4 GHz. Hardware. GPU. Xiaomi 12 come with Adreno 730 and Xiaomi 12 Lite come with Adreno 642L. RAM. Xiaomi 12 come with 8GB 12GB of RAM variant and 12 Lite also come 8GB 12GB of RAM variant. Internal storage. Xiaomi 12 come with 128 to 56GB internal storage and Xiaomi 12 Lite also 128 to 56GB internal storage. Hardware card slot. Xiaomi 12 doesn't support any card slot and 12 Lite also doesn't support any card slot. Battery. Xiaomi 12 has 4500 mAh battery and 12 Lite is also at 4500 mAh battery. Fast charging. Xiaomi 12 come with 67 watt fast charger and 12 Lite also come with 67 watt fast charger. Operating system. Xiaomi 12 come around Android 12 MIUI 13 and 12 Lite also come with Android 12 MIUI 13. Let's talk about both the phone connectivity. Let's start with Xiaomi 12. It's have a under display fingerprint. It support 5G network, NFC, Wi-Fi 6, a stereo speaker, GPS, Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type-C, UFS 3.1 or 120Hz high refresh rate. Let's talk Xiaomi 12 Lite connectivity. It's also support under display fingerprint. It support 5G network, NFC, 120Hz refresh rate, a stereo speaker, GPS, Bluetooth 5.2, USB Type-C, UFS 3.1 or Wi-Fi 6. Let's talk both the phone price. Xiaomi 12 come around 70,000 of $885 of 8GB RAM variant. In Xiaomi 12 Lite come around 27,000 of $387 of 8GB RAM or 128GB internal storage. Let's talk on result. Xiaomi 12 versus Xiaomi 12 Lite. Design wise both the phone have similar design. Display wise also both the phone have same display. Camera is better on Xiaomi 12. Hardware is also better on Xiaomi 12. Connectivity are same, charging are same and price is good on Xiaomi 12 Lite. So thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day and watch our next video. Thank you.